Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to lock your profile Facebook account. So here I have the homepage of my Facebook account. By the way, I'm using phone. Now if you want to lock your profile account, please click on the upper right side, the one that you see your picture, and then click your account here, and then once you're already in your account, click the three dots on the right side, this one, and then here you will see your some profile settings. Now as you scroll, you will see here the lock profile. Click that, and then here make your photos and posts more private in one step. When you lock your profile, only friends will see your past and future photos and stories on your profile. Only friends would see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. So once you click that, you may now lock your profile. And then here we have it. You already lock your profile. And here you will see that you lock your profile already.